How to start dropshipping on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through the process of how you're going to start dropshipping on Amazon. So basically, dropshipping is an amazing method in which we basically become an affiliate for the affiliation providers. Okay, and these providers could be anyone ranging from Amazon, from different websites like eBay, AliExpress, and a whole lot more. Now, in this video's case, we are going to be using Amazon, and we're going to be talking about drop shipping in great depth and detail. We're going to be covering all the little details. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end to, get around the detail of this real quick. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this. To start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to Amazon.com. Okay, so this is what Amazon.com basically looks like, and this is the general look of it. Now, once you've gotten the general look of Amazon.com, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to discuss how you're going to come to the job shipping scenario of it. Now, over here, you can see a few different things, up here in accounts, there's a lot of things you can get an idea of. Now, to come to Amazon's affiliation, you're going to come here in your new tab and write Amazon Associates. And once you write Amazon Associates, basically it's going to take you to the Amazon.com Associates Central. So over here, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this link here. Amazon's Associates Central is basically Amazon's affiliate marketing central. Okay. So they call it the Amazon Associates Central because they call Amazon affiliates Amazon Associates. Okay. And Amazon affiliates have it really simple when it comes to creating stuff as an affiliate. So, Amazon Associate, Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Welcome to one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers to monetize their traffic. With millions of products and different programs available on Amazon, associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to the recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. Now, it's a basic three-step process. Okay, the first step would be signing up, join tens and thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with Amazon Associates program. Then there's recommend, where you can share millions of products with your audience. They have customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And then finally, earn. You can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Their competitive conversion rates help actually maximize all of your earnings. So, pretty amazing, pretty basic stuff. And if you have any other questions, you can ask in their FAQ. But to obviously go ahead and to create an account, you're going to go ahead and click on sign up. Once you go to sign up for this, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to want to create and you're going to want to create an account. Okay. And to create an account, you're going to want to, just go ahead and integrate your account with the Amazon Creator Center. And I already have an account, but I'm also going to show you how you're going to create an account for yourself, right? So when it comes to account creation, what you're going to want to do is make sure you have a strong password and everything to go with. And once you have a strong password and everything, basically what you're going to do is you're going to come to create your Amazon account. Go ahead and add your email address. Okay, so I'm just going to come here. You're going to first of all make sure to add your name and all. You're going to come here, add your email address. Once you add your email address, you're going to add your password of your choice. And once you've added your password of choice, from there on out, you're going to do this and click on create your Amazon account. Now, once you do that, basically it's going to go ahead over here and it's going to ask for you to complete this puzzle. It's going to tell you to basically complete the chair. Okay, so you're just going to make sure to complete the chair puzzle. And once you have completed the chair, so there we go. So we're just going to click on submit and there we go. Now, once you've completed the chair puzzle, it's going to send you a one-time pin onto your email. So you're just going to verify your email pin. And once you verify your email pin, it's going to take you through your phone number confirmation. So in my case, the pin is 251485148. Okay. And once we've gone with the pin, we're going to go ahead and click on verify. Now it's going to ask you to add your phone number, and you're just going to add your phone number throughout the whole processing unit. And once you have added your phone number, from there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to basically create your account properly, and that's how your Associate Central is going to allow you to create your account. Now, once you create your account, there's a few things that come with working with the Associate Central. Okay, now if I come here and write Associates Central strip, okay, basically what that is it's a side stripe help strip that appears on top of Amazon. Okay, so let's say you're on the Amazon store, right? And as you're on the Amazon store, basically it's going to show you a strip like this. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. And basically, once you're on the store and you go to any product that you like, so let's say I'm just cruising through the Amazon store, and after I've signed up with the Amazon Associate Central, I come across any random product that I want to, I feel like that I should, yeah, market this product and become an affiliate for it because, I see some good profit or some good benefit in that product. I'm going to go ahead. So let's say for this video's purpose, I'm going to go ahead into gaming accessories and I'm going to go with this gaming chair. So we have this gaming chair. I'm going to go with it. It's pretty expensive and, that it has 47 buyers and it's pretty good. It's pretty well known with, its built-in speakers. It has a footrest, ergonomic computer gaming chair, high back video game chair, adjustable lumbar. It's a chair massage as well, which is pretty incredible. So to, actually become an affiliate for this, what's going to happen is that it's going to show you a strip over here like this, which is going to get link text plus image. So obviously in our case, we're going to go with text plus image. And once you get that text plus image thing, what you're going to do from there is you're going to go to, any place that you're actually marketing or affiliating the product. And once you do that for yourself, it's going to be pretty piece of cake from there because then you're going to start getting in, your clicks and your actual engagements to the sales. And yeah, for each sale this chair makes, you're going to get commission off of it. Now that commission depends. It could be 5% or it could be up to 10%. That depends on the actual seller, vendor, or the product you're affiliating for. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.